Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 1 ingin menampilkan tugas
bahasa Inggris.
yang pertama-tama perkenalan.
My name is Risa.
My name is Renita. My name is Farah.
My name is Nadia.
My name is Intan.
How are you doing?
I'm playing inkling with my friend.
Look, Dahlia is jumping over the box.
I'm trying to reach the next box without tipping the land.
Dia udah dinyanyi kalian 4 menit sebelum kan ini so happening in the club. I'm gonna
Game is really fun where I having I give time.